Hi, this is Daniel, and in today's video I would like to show you everything you need to know about crop tool in Photoshop. So let's go for it. Okay, so let's say that this is our image we would like to crop. The easiest way you can do is simply go to crop tool, or you can simply click on C, and then as you can see those like borders appeared around our picture. Okay, so now as you can see we can easily drag with the corners or even the middle of those sides to adjust the cropped area. So let's say that we would like to crop it just like this, and then all you have to do is simply double click on this image or click on this check at the top, and the area will be actually cropped. But there are a few more things you could want to actually know. So first of all, let's say we want to change the aspect ratio of the final image. Let's say we would like to have it in the 16:9 resolution, for example. For this, go to the top left, and then you can choose the 16:9. Now as you can see, the cropped area is selected to be 16:9 resolution. The second thing you might want to know is how to keep the aspect ratio of the cropped area. For this, while you will drag with any of those corners, you want to hold shift while dragging this. Thanks what, as you can see, the aspect ratio of the final result will stay the same. In case you would like to change your crop to not be horizontal 16:9 but actually vertical 9:16, you can simply click on X, and as you can see, now it's simply switched and we got 9:16 vertical resolution. So once again, we can fit the image by our needs. I will click on X again to switch it back to 16:9 resolution, and I will adjust it once again with the holding of the shift around our dog, just like this. Okay, so now once again, if I want to crop the area like this, I can simply double click on the image or click on the check at the top. In case I would like to just know how the final image would actually look like, I can click on H, and as you can see, everything around will disappear and only the crop area will stay. So we can check how the final result would look like without everything around. Now I can click on H again, and all around just appeared once again. In case you don't want to see your grid all the time, you can change it at the view setting. And first of all, you can of course change what grid will look like. So now we got there, of course, the rule of thirds, but you can choose there to have the golden ratio or triangles or anything else. But in my case, I want to stay with the rule of thirds, but at the same time, I don't want always show overlay, but more like auto show overlay. What means that I will see overlay only when I will be adjusting with the size of an actual image. So now once again, when I will press H, everything around will disappear, and now I have the clear vision of how the final result would look like. H again. Okay, next let's say that you would like to crop your image from the middle. So as before, we simply held with those corners. As you could see, we cropped from the side and we went towards the middle. But in case you would like to crop the image around the middle, that means that you will make the crop area smaller and it will all come into the middle. So the middle of the image will stay at the same area. For this, all you have to do is simply hold Alt while you are changing the size of the crop area. So now, as you could see, while I was holding Alt, we were cropping the image from all sides towards the middle. Another thing you might want to know is that normally when you are cropping your image, as you can see, when I'm moving, the crop area stays still in the middle of the screen, but everything around is moving. So actually we are moving with the picture. In case you would like to change it so that the picture will actually stay at one place and you will move with the selected area, for this you can click on P. And now as you can see, we are moving with the selected area while the image is staying same. In case you would like to go back to original setting, go to P once again, and now again we are moving with image only. Okay, so let's say that this would be the final image we would like to crop. So as I said already, we can double click on this image and voila, this is the final result. Okay, but now let's say that we have a photo of a sunset above the sea, and let's say that we would like to crop this image, but at the same time to make it so that the sea line will be perfectly horizontally orientated. That means that now we can see that it's a little bit angled to the down, but we want to make it to go straight through the image. So for this, once again, we can go towards the crop tool or click on C, and then we can simply go towards this straighten tool. So just click on this, and then we will simply drag the line at the top of this C level. So just like this, as you can see, now it was angled like minus 9.8 degree. So now when I will unleash this tool, voila, the image is once again perfectly cropped, and also the C level is at the perfect horizontal level. So now once again, we could easily simply go and change the size of the image or anything else we would like to do, as I showed you before with this puppy of the golden retriever. Okay, but ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. Really hope you found it what you were looking for. Hope you are good and video fine. Thanks for watching and all of the support, and see you all next time.